Our project is called the Smart Power Strip Monitor. In today's modern office, reducing electricity waste is essential for sustainability and saving costs. We created a C++ program that helps analyzes energy consumption by identifying which office devices use the most electricity.
Problem statement. Our scenario involves 5 office devices plugged into a smart power strip. The goal is to read their power usage, calculate total power consumption, and figure out which device is using the most energy. This can help office decide which devices need attention to reduce power consumption.
Let's walk through the code. First, we define an array to store power usage for the 5 devices. We also declare variables to track the total power on the device with the highest consumption. We use a for loop to get the power usage input from the user. Each input, we add the value to our total power. Then we use an if statement to check if that device uses more power than the current maximum. If so, we update the highest power and save the index of that device. After the loop ends, we display the total power consumption and identify the biggest energy user.
The program uses input and output operations to interact with the user. We use a for loop for repeated input and an if condition to find the maximum. This makes the code efficient and clean. Let's run the program with the sample input 40, 75, 20, 60, and 100. The output is total power consumption 295 watts. Device 5 is the biggest consumer with 100 watts. This confirms the program works as expected.
This project demonstrates how simple programming logic can support energy efficiency.